Step 1. First take panel number 1 and insert two wooden dowel in both sides of the panel. Step 2. Join panel number 1 with panel number 2 and before joining make sure rough edge of panel number 1 is in upward direction. Now tighten both panels with the help of two screws. Step 3. Join panel number 3 with panel number 1 and make sure rough edge of both panels facing upward direction. Now tighten both panels with the help of two screws. Step 4. Take one panel number 4 and insert two wooden dowel in one side of this panel. Repeat same for remaining other panel number 4. Step 5. First carefully join two panel number 4 with panel number 1. Make sure the rough edge of both panel number 4 is facing upward direction as same as panel number 1 and 3. Step 6. Now insert two wooden dowels one by one in all panel number 2, 3 and 4. Step 7. Join panel number 5 with other panels and tighten them with the help of 8 screws. Follow same steps for other side of panels. Step 8. Take 6 floor protectors and tighten them to the lower side of the panel number 2, 5 and 6 with the help of 19 mm screw. Step 9. First carefully place panel number 7 over assembled shoe cabinet. Now tighten them with the help of 8 screws. Step 10. First you take one door panel and place door hinges in its position and tighten them with the help of 2 screws. Now take door handle and tighten them with the help of handle screw. Repeat this step for other door panel. Step 11. First, carefully align both door hinges with holes given in panel number 5. After aligning, tighten both hinges one by one with the help of 19 mm screws. Repeat same step for other door panel. We have now completed the assembly of shoe rack. Thank you for shopping with us. Hope you love the Woodexpress shoe rack. If you enjoyed your experience, please leaving us a good rating and feedback on Amazon.